This is the iPhone 12, the last year most selling smartphone in the world, and last year Apple also released iPhone 13. So the question is, should you have to buy the iPhone 12 in 2022? Find out in this video, and I am going to full review after 1 year iPhone 12. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Starting with the design and the build quality. So when it comes to design, I think Apple did a great job. I really like this phone looks and fits in my hand. I don't have a huge hand, but I can use the phone with just one hand. And the smartphone built with Gorilla Glass front and back with aluminum frame, and the phone is not so much heavy. This is just for 164 gram. The iPhone 12 has a really high quality 6.1-inch Super Retina HDR OLED screen with a resolution 1170 by 2532 pixel with 460 ppi density, and the smartphone peak brightness 1200 nits, and the smartphone is 86% skin to body ratio. This phone is also IP68 dust and water resistant, and the phone also comes with a studio speaker. The smartphone skin is better than iPhone XR, iPhone 11, even iPhone SE 3. Now let's talk about the processor. The smartphone comes with Apple A14 Bionic chipset, CPU using hexa-core 2x3.1 GHz, GPU using Apple Graphics 4-core graphics with 4GB RAM. Right now the smartphone running iOS 15.4. The phone performance is so good. There is no problem performing everyday tasks such as calling, texting, browsing, watching YouTube and things like that. It can handle pretty good. And at the same time you can play any types of game in a max setting. Let's move on the camera section. The smartphone comes with dual camera setup, 12 megapixel main lens with 1.6 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide with 2.4 aperture. And the front, the smartphone comes with dual selfie camera, 12 megapixel main lens with 2.2 aperture, and last one 3D sensor for depth and biometric. Main camera you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120 fps, 240 fps, and even you also play W Vision HDR video with up to 60 fps, and the video quality is so good. So now talk about the picture quality. The camera are so good. You can get pretty much good photo with a lot of details. All the photo, color correction and dynamic range is so good. And at the same time you also get a very good photo in a night because the smartphone comes with dedicated night mode. The smartphone comes with Face ID. We also know that the Face ID is so fast and secure. The smartphone powered by 2815 mAh battery, and the smartphone support 20-watt fast charger. So overall you can get almost 1 day battery backup. So the question is, should you have to buy the smartphone right now in 2022? Definitely you can buy this phone right now because the smartphone comes with Super AMOLED display, excellent camera and excellent performance. Okay, this is all about iPhone 12 full review in 2022. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.